What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to buy a car in 2025 with bad credit and no money down. This is one of the most requested topics, and this video is about to walk you through the full strategy from building your credit the right way to choosing the best lender that will give you the full loan without asking for anything out of pocket. And just to be clear, this is not theory. This is something we help our clients with inside the mentorship, and we're now offering this process as a full service as well. But like always, this video is for educational purposes only, and if you want help setting this up step by step or want us to do it for you, join the Discord and message the network directly. Now let's get into it. The key to getting approved for a car with bad credit and no down payment starts with one thing: your credit file. Well, I'm not talking about fixing everything on your file overnight. I'm talking about knowing what to add to your report that lenders look for, specifically when it comes to auto loans. And there's two ways we do that. Number one is getting added as an authorized user on a credit card that's been open for years and has perfect payment history. That means you piggyback on their credit score, and it shows up on your file like you've had that same card for the same amount of time with the same perfect history. Now, I know not everybody has someone they can ask to add them, but this is why we offer tradelines inside the mentorship. We've got sources that let you add Amex, Barclays, Discover, Navy Federal, and more for a small fee that posts in 7 to 14 days. But the real game here is knowing when to add the trade line. You want the card added right before the statement date closes so it posts to your file in the next cycle. This alone can boost your score 50 to 100 points depending on what's already on your file. Now let's say your score is still under 600 after the trade line. That's where our credit sweep process comes in. We remove the collections, charge-offs, late payments, and student loans if needed. And right now we're offering to do the full sweep for you until June 15th as part of the mentorship. We've been able to take people from 490 to 710 in under 30 days. And once your file looks good, lenders start treating you completely different. After you get the sweep and the trade lines added, the next step is simple. You apply with the right credit union, not a random bank or online lender. We only mess with 4 credit unions right now that will either approve you with no hard inquiry or approve you with super low interest, even if your score is around 600. Let's go through them. First one is NASA Federal Credit Union. Anybody can join, and they're known for having approvals with as little as 600 credit score. They let you pre-qualify with no hard pull, and they give you up to 100% of the car cost, which means no down payment at all. You could apply and have the check in your hand within 24 to 48 hours. They also let you delay your first payment for up to 60 days, which gives you breathing room if you need time to set up a flip or liquidation play before your car note hits. Second is Consumers Credit Union, again, open to everybody, and they've got rates as low as 4.49%. If you use their car buying service, it knocks off another 0.5%. They process everything digitally and fund within 48 hours. No minimum score listed and no down payment required if you're pre-approved for the full amount. Third up is Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, this one takes a little more effort to get in, but it's worth it. They've got some of the lowest auto loan rates in the country, as low as 4.09%, and they're one of the most relationship-based credit unions out there. If you don't have military ties, there's still ways in. We teach in the mentorship, and once you're in the door, you're golden. We've helped people get approved with 580 credit scores just because their internal score at Navy Federal was strong. And like I always say, credit unions care more about your relationship and activity than just your raw credit score. Funding is quick, and again, they'll give you the full amount for the car. If approved, no down payment needed. Fourth one is PenFed Credit Union. This is probably the most flexible one for everyday people. No military connection needed. They allow financing up to 125% of the vehicle's value, so if you want to roll in tax, title, gap insurance, they'll still approve the whole amount. And they let you pre-qualify with no impact to your credit. Rates start at 4.09%, and if you use their car buying service, you'll get an even better deal. Same-day funding is possible. Just ask for it directly after approval. Now let me talk about something real quick because this part gets overlooked. The reason why most people get denied or stuck paying a crazy down payment is because they try to go straight through the dealership. The dealership is trying to make money, not get you approved. They add fees on top of the car cost and call it a required down payment when really they're just pocketing that extra money. That's why you want to get the loan first from one of these credit unions and walk in the dealership with a check in hand. No games, no upsells, no predatory rates. Just pick your car and hand them the check. Now let's talk about the actual car you should buy. You want to make sure it's 2023 or newer with under 30,000 miles if possible. That gives you access to lower interest rates and better loan terms. Also, new cars qualify for more aggressive approvals because of the warranty and resale value. Some of you may be thinking, what if I don't want to keep the car? Well, we cover liquidation strategies inside the mentorship as well, where you can flip the car within 30 to 60 days, or even rent it out on platforms to cover the note. You're not locked in. But at the end of the day, the point is this: you can get a car in 2025 even with bad credit and no money down, but only if you play the game smart. You boost your score with AU lines or trade lines, you clean the file with a sweep, and you apply through credit unions that actually want to approve you. We've helped people do this with both real credit and CPNs, depending on the situation. And the mentorship comes with everything you need to do this step by step, or have us do it for you. From the Tradeline source to the sweep source to the iPhone liquidation guide, you'll also get lifetime iMessage access to me directly and custom game plans for both personal and business moves. So if you're serious about getting approved and not getting played at the dealership, join the Discord link is in the description. Ask about the mentorship while the credit sweep is still being offered as a done-for-you service until June 15th. And I'll see you in the next video.